A hotel is a place that offers paid lodging or accommodation where you can stay overnight. Nowadays, hotels don't just give you a room to sleep in. They also have lots of other things you can enjoy, like food in a restaurant, swimming pools, places to play sports like tennis or basketball, a gym to exercise, spas to relax, places to do laundry, big rooms or halls for events like parties or meetings, etc. But in return of using these services, guest has to pay accordingly. In hotel, there are different departments that help everything run smoothly or for the efficient operation of these services provided in a hotel. These departments are broadly categorized into two categories: the primary core departments and secondary supportive departments. Firstly, let's talk about the core departments. These are directly responsible for day-to-day operation. Front office. It is the first department you see when you arrive at the hotel. The front office staff welcomes the guest, help with their luggage, assign room, and give them key, making sure everything's okay during their stay, and at the time of departure, prepare and settle their bill. Housekeeping. Housekeeping department is responsible for cleaning and maintenance of all public and back areas of the hotel. They don't just clean, they also launder hotel linen, employees' uniforms, and any guest's article. Also tailoring staff uniform, take care of any bugs, pest control, maintaining the lawn area, garden and plants, handling any lost and found items. Sometimes, the more experienced room attendants also look after the minibars in the guest rooms. The person who's specially assigned to clean guest room, making bed, replenishing supplies, etc. is called guest room attendant. In hotels, the rooms bring in most of the money. Two major departments looks after them are front office and housekeeping. One issue room and settle bills. The other department clean and maintain the room's standards. So it becomes very important that these two departments works together and coordinates well. For large hotel, it becomes very complex and difficult to maintain this coordination. And for this reason, a separate department is created called Room Division Department. The Room Division heads the both front office and housekeeping. Food and beverage production. Well, it's the area where they make yummy meal. You can also call it kitchen. This kitchen prepare food for different places in the hotel, like restaurants, banquets, coffee spots, in-room dining, and even where the staff eats, staff cafeteria, canteen. The person who cooks food is known as chef. It comprises of main kitchen, soup section, pantry or preparation area, cold kitchen, garde-manger, bakery or pastry section, vegetable section, butchery, halwai section in Indian kitchen, etc. The number and types of kitchen sections may vary from one property to another. Food and beverage service. This department serves the food and beverages prepared in the kitchen department. In a hotel, there can be lots of places where food and beverages are served, like restaurants, coffee shops, lounges, banquet, pubs, bar, discotheques, in-room dining areas, or some specialty restaurants. The person who brings you food is called a steward or waiter, and the supervisor of stewards is called captain. For more details on the different employees working in a restaurant, check I button above. Well, this was the basic information about all four core departments in a hotel. Now, to support the functioning of these core departments, there are secondary or supportive department, which plays a significant role to ensure the general administration of hotel. Each department has its specific task to perform the smooth functioning of hotel. Let's discuss about these in details. Human Resource Department. The Human Resource Department at a company takes care of the people who work there. It is responsible for hiring, firing, training, and managing relationship with employees. Any problem such as harassment or discrimination, go to HR. It also looks after staff welfare, checks working condition, rewarding with incentives, bonus, and promotion. They're the one who prepare your salary too. Accounting and finance. This department keeps track of all the money transactions in a hotel. All the money coming in and going out, no matter how it's paid or spent. It procures funds for hotel, setting up of adequate internal control, handling internal and external audits, preparation of financial statement, maintain liaison with the banks. All the legal taxes are also handled by this department, but often this work is outsourced to tax accountants or CA. Purchasing, receiving, and store. Purchasing department is responsible for all the purchasing done for all the departments in hotel, from a small matchstick to a large equipment such as boilers, steamers, etc. Some of the duties of purchasing manager are on your screen. There may be a separate department for receiving, or it may work under purchasing department. The major task of it is to ensure that the received goods or material is of correct quality, quantity as specified in purchase order. Now, all the received items are stored in store for the time being issued to respective department. This acts like a central store from where items or goods are dispatched to respective departmental stores. Many times the purchasing, receiving, and store department are also part of account and finance, or work in close relation with account and finance, as most of the billing and money transactions are approved by account and finance department. Sales and marketing department. It is responsible for generating the business for the hotel. It markets the hotel products and services available to sale, such as rooms, functions, or party hall, banquets, meeting or conference rooms, even the sale of restaurant, pubs, and bars. The role of this department is to take care of advertisements, sales promotions, and maintain the brand reputation in the market. Security. Security department provides safety and security to hotel guests, visitors, and employees. Hotel security departments uses preventative measures such as installing metal detectors, X-ray scanning of guest luggage, CCTV cameras, and other monitoring equipment, making IDs specifically for those who enters through back door like employees, interviewee, or some visitor. Engineering and Maintenance Department. As the name suggests, it is responsible for maintenance and operation of all the equipment and machinery, central heating, air conditioning, water treatment, boilers, sewage treatment. They fix things such as all mechanical appliances, plumbing pipes, electrical appliances, carpentry faults, etc. Information Technology. This department is responsible for integration of technology in all areas of hotel. They oversee the hotel's technological infrastructure, including networks, servers, internet, and hardware, such as computers, phones, and other devices. Here is the list of all the departments we have covered. If you do end up liking this video, hit like button. For any doubt or suggestion, comment down below.